Today I will teach you a hack for solving equations. So our first question will be 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can solve this two ways, either by simplifying it or by expanding it. Okay, so let's start by expanding our equation. 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we do 4 times x, which is 4x, plus 4 times 3, which is 12. This will be equal to 0. Then we minus both sides by 12, which will give you 4x plus 12 minus 12, which is 0, will be equal to minus 12. Next, you have 4x is equal to minus 12. Now you divide both sides by 4, which will give you x is equal to minus 12 over 4, which is minus 3. Now, let's try this question using my new method. 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, we can directly write x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, we minus 3 from both sides, and this will give us x plus 0 is equal to minus 3. So, x is equal to minus 3. Now, I'll explain why this hack works. 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, we can write the value inside of the brackets as the letter y. So, 4y, which is 4 times y, will be equal to 0. Divide both sides by 4, which will give you y is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x plus 3, which is equal to our y, will be equal to 0. So let's try another example. 6 into x minus 2 will be equal to 3. Now let's try expanding this. 6 times x will give you 6x. 6 times minus 2 will give you minus 12. 6x minus 12 is equal to 3, plus 12 on both sides, so 6x plus 0 will be equal to 15. 6x is equal to 15. Now, you divide both sides by 6, which will give you x is equal to 15 over 6. Now, we can get the same answer by using my method. 6 into x minus 2 will be equal to 3. So we take x minus 2 is equal to 3, x will be equal to 5. See, this is wrong because it does not give us the right answer. Now, I'll explain why this does not work. 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 3. Similarly, like before, we'll take what is inside the bracket as the letter y. So, 6y is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 6. So this will give you y is equal to 3 over 6. So y will be equal to half. So when we sub in our y value, x minus 2 will be equal to half, not 0. Now, let's expand on this further. This hack will only work when the equation is equal to 0. Otherwise, you must expand and simplify to get your final answer. So now, let's try a different question. 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, we similarly take what is inside of the bracket. So, x minus 4 is equal to 0. You add 4 to both sides, so this will give you x is equal to 4. Our next example will be 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take what is inside the bracket, so x minus 1 will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 1. Alright, good job for today's video, and tune in my next video where I will show you another hack.